welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing the December Boxycharm base box. Mine finally came in the mail, so I am super excited to open it up, see what's inside, try out what I can try out for you guys, and just let you know what I like, what I don't like, all that fun stuff. So before we get into that, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But if you want to see me unbox my December Boxycharm base box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, you already know how this goes. We do this every month. So I am going to open this up, show you what's inside. I'm going to read off like what the information and pricing is on each product that's in here. Let you know what I like, let you know what I don't like, all that. And as usual, this is a total surprise to me. I have no idea what is in the box. I never peek, I never go on the website to find out. I just like to be surprised every month, so nothing different here. So I already took the seal off of it, but I haven't peeked, I promise. So when you get the box, it literally just is in black and white and says Boxycharm. And then when you open it up, as usual, it is the Instagram handle and the hashtag, and then it says hello charmer. Very, very cute. And then opening it up here in hot pink and white, it says Boxycharm. So I love that. Okay, I already see something I'm excited about. I'm not gonna peek, but this is for December. It says gift of glam, and it's like all these little Christmassy gifts, so very on brand. And then I'm just gonna start reading what is in here, and then I'll show you the products, let you know what I think about them, basically. So also, unless I already have one of these products, everything I say in here is like a first impression opinion kind of thing, because hopefully all of this is new to me. So yeah. Anyways, the first product in here is from Algenist. It is the Triple ALGAE Renewal Balm. I will say I have tried products from Algenist before, specifically like their lip serum, and I actually really liked it. So I'm super excited already to see what this is. It says a targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. It's formulated with Algenist's patented and exclusive alguronic acid, a blend of red, brown, and green algae that synergistically work by energizing and increasing skin luminosity. This is expensive. It goes for $68. So let's see where this is at. Here it is. Okay, so it comes in this. Opening it up, let's see what it looks like. Okay. Triple ALGAE Renewal Balm. This is the packaging. This just looks so expensive already, which I would hope because it is. But look how nice this balm looks. Like the packaging is like this frosted glass. It's really pretty. Has like no smell, which I already love. And it's like this really like, it almost looks like whipped cream when you see it in here. So it's really pretty. I'm definitely gonna be testing this out for the next 10 days, if not more. So let me just take a little bit on the back of my, or on my finger. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. Let's see how it feels. It doesn't feel like overly moisturizing. Like the back of my hand doesn't feel like it's like transformed now into this like really soft feeling kind of product, but it does feel really nice. It's almost like cooling. I don't know. I can't really say anything else about it as of right now because it takes 10 days, it says, to notice a result. It does say to use it twice a day. So I will do this morning and night, and I think I'm gonna keep it in my skincare fridge just so it feels nice and cooling on my face when I apply it, or on my eyes. So I'm gonna put this in my skincare fridge and I'll just do it morning and night like it says. So I'm really excited about this. You guys know I struggle with dark circles, baggy under eyes, so I will take all the help I can get. Anyways, the next product is from Seraphine Botanicals. It's the Happy Hibiscus palette. It says this incredibly soft and blendable luminizer and blush palette gives you an instant color payoff and glides on seamlessly to deliver a healthy, lit from within flush of color. Formulated with hibiscus extract to encourage a fresher, more radiant complexion, and cornstarch and kaolin clay for a silkier transition and longer lasting wear, even on oily skin. And this goes for $48. So let's see what this is. This is so cute. I love this. Already this packaging is like stealing my heart. This is really adorable. And I'm so happy. At first I thought this was an eyeshadow palette, and honestly in my head I was like, oh my god, not another one. But I'm glad that this is a face palette because I definitely will use it then. Adorable. It's not like an expensive packaging. Like this is like almost like cardboard feeling, but it is kind of expensive, $48. Oh, but you get 4 shades in here. This is actually really nice. No mirror though, which sucks because if it's $48, I would want a mirror in it, so I don't know how I feel about that. But these colors are stunning, and you guys already know that these are the kind of colors that I like to use. So let me just swatch these on the back of my hand so I could show you guys what they look like. Give me 1 second. All right, so I did a little swatch of them. So I'm gonna try to show you. The top one is Hibiscus. The second one is Harvest. The third one is Petal. And then the last one is Dewdrop. So here is the order I went in from here, here, here to here. So basically the top one, Hibiscus, is a creamy rose, which I love. It felt really creamy and went on super pigmented and beautiful. The second one, Harvest, is a golden nude. The color is absolutely stunning, but I will say it was not as pigmented as Hibiscus. Like it took a couple rounds of dipping my finger in and swatching it to get that color, but it's still really beautiful. Petal, which is the pinky blush. It's a matte. The rest of them are not matte. They're like a little shimmery. This one is matte and it's really pretty, but I feel like this pink shade would be more for like the spring and summer. I'd probably use these other shades for winter. So the last shade is Dewdrop. It's an illuminating gleam, so I assume that's more of like a highlighter shade. So I kind of want to swatch them just to see like what they look like. So I kind of want to take Hibiscus because I really like how pigmented it was. So I'm just taking it onto a brush and I'll use this as a blush. That's stunning. And then I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of Harvest because it's similar but a little lighter, and I'm gonna use that as highlighter on top. I'm in love. It went on really easily, blended out really easily. It looks stunning. The pigment is there. I really, really like this. I feel like $48 for this is kind of steep, especially because there's no mirror and the packaging is like really flimsy. But the products themselves are really, 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 really impressive. So I'm a fan so far. I think if this was something that was on your radar, if you do end up getting it, you're not gonna be disappointed. It's really, really pretty. So I'm definitely gonna play around with this more. You're definitely gonna see this on my channel again. So I'll keep you guys posted on what I think about this. But right now, from a first impression, I like it. Next up, we have from Wish Beauty, the Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with BAKUCHIOL. Sorry if I mispronounced that. It says, are your lips missing the moisture they crave and desire? The Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with BAKUCHIOL is the answer to their wish. This rich and buttery smooth mask melts deep into your lips as you sleep, providing long-lasting, intense moisturization. Say goodbye to those cracked and peeling lips and hello to dewy soft goodness. Goes for $32. Let's see where this is at. Ooh, this is fancy looking too. This is like the same packaging as the eye cream. And honestly, I need something like this because I just got my lips done, and usually when I do, they're like peeling underneath. So this could really come in handy for me right now. Obsessed with the packaging already. It's glass, it's expensive feeling, it's expensive looking. It just looks really nice. So Powerfully Effective Naturals. Intense overnight hydration, softens and smooths. It's 1 ounce. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla, but like almost fruity-ish vanilla, if that makes any sense. But it's really nice. Like the smell almost reminds me of something, but I can't think of what. Oh my God, when you dip your finger in here, it literally feels like oil. Let me do like up here just to see what it looks like. I'm not gonna put it on my lips because I have product on my lips right now, but I'm gonna use this tonight for sure. Look at this right here. Wow, literally looks like a really beautiful lip oil. Like you could wear this all day, I think, if you wanted to, because it would look stunning on your bare lips. Wow, you could probably wear this over a lip liner too, and it would give like a really pretty glow. But it smells super good. I feel like I would love having this on my lips all day. I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna play around with it, and I'll let you guys know what I think, but I'm really excited about that. I just love the idea and the look of it. Next up, we have from ARACELI Beauty. It's the Bella Sponge Duo. It says, blend it out. Set the stage for a seamless, smooth blend with a super soft ARACELI Bella Sponge Duo. Use it again and again to effortlessly apply your foundation, concealer, and cream products. Need to bake? The Bella Sponge's pointed tip provides precise application of powder. Your complexion called, and the ARACELI Bella Sponge is the answer. Very cute. And this set goes for $24. So I love this packaging. Let's just open this and see what the sponges look like and feel like. They feel really soft. This one, for some reason, feels softer than this one. Like when I squish it, it squishes easier than this one. I don't know if that's like on purpose or what, but they're really cute. Let me see compared to the Beauty Blender what they feel like. Okay, so these are a little bit squishier and softer than the Beauty Blender, surprisingly. So I am very, very picky when it comes to makeup sponges because I've tried a bunch of them and nothing compares to the Beauty Blender. I have such a love for the Beauty Blender, and my makeup always looks so flawless when I use it. So I just gave up, honestly, on other sponges, but I am definitely gonna have to test these two out because they feel so soft and squishy, and see how they compare to that one. But I would say like they're very, very similar in size and exactly the same pretty much in shape. Just these feel a little bit squishier, so that actually might be a really good thing. And you get like 2 of these for the price of pretty much 1 Beauty Blender. So I'm very excited to see how I end up liking these, so stay tuned. But I love that I got these 2 sponges in because I've been needing to get a new Beauty Blender anyways, so perfect timing. Anyways, next up is from MELLOW Cosmetics. It's the Gel Lip Liner. This gel formulated lip liner pencil glides on fluidly and adheres instantly with a matte finish. Define your lips with an instant release of rich, saturated color, long wearing and transfer proof, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And it goes for $15. So I would say pretty standard pricing for a lip liner. This is my first time that I'm hearing about this brand. Like I said, it's MELLOW Cosmetics. And this color is definitely something that I'm gonna love. So let's see how smooth and creamy it feels. Wow, okay. Look at how easily that went on. Like I barely touched, and look at that. Wow, 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 wow. And this color is definitely something that I am going to love using. And you guys already know my love for nude lip colors. So I'm literally gonna leave this like on top of my vanity so that I know to use it next time I'm doing my lips. Because I am actually really obsessed with how easily and creamy this is going on. And the fact that it's matte too, like that's kind of blowing my mind because this is going on literally like a gloss. Like that's what it feels like. So I'm super impressed. Let me just... This color is beautiful. Sorry, I got carried away there for a second. I started just doing a little bit and then I realized how much pinkier it was than what I have on my lips right now, so I had to finish the job. But this color is beautiful. I'd probably do it with a different lipstick, not the one that I had on my lips before. But the color is stunning and it went on so nice and smooth. Like I am loving this right now. So this is definitely something you're gonna keep seeing on my channel. And I'm definitely gonna have to go look at this brand to see what else they have because this is very impressive and the packaging won me. By the way, this is the color Rose. So just so you guys know, that is it though. That's all 5 products, and I have to say, I think this is like my favorite box that I've gotten in a while, because all of these products I'm like genuinely so excited to use and continue to test out. So yes, that is it. That's all I have for today's video. Super happy about this one, super excited about this one, and I hope you guys are too. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment and let me know what you thought about the products that I got in my box. Let me know if you do Boxycharm too, what you got in yours, if we got the same things, if we got different things. Just let me know everything. So comment, give this a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.